Are unexpected breakdowns disrupting building operations? Are maintenance teams losing time to slow, manual inspections? What if AI agents could monitor every facility in real time, predict failures, and automatically trigger service requests? What if your building could autonomously manage its own maintenance? Hello and welcome to a new era of agentic AI-powered building maintenance with EdgeVerve AI Next. Building maintenance today is mostly reactive. Teams rely on periodic inspections, outdated schedules, and manual reporting. Maintenance data and service requests are scattered across siloed systems. These inefficiencies lead to more downtime, higher costs, and poor customer satisfaction. EdgeVerve AI Next brings intelligent automation to the heart of building maintenance. Agentic AI systems seamlessly orchestrate every part of the process, from anomaly detection to work order assignments. Instead of fixed maintenance cycles, AI agents monitor systems in real time, assess risk, and act early. They unify data across meters, records, surveillance logs, and more. Let's see it in action. Get a holistic view of your building with a centralized maintenance dashboard. From this dashboard, you can view maintenance statuses, customer satisfaction scores, budget performance indicators, and all scheduled and ongoing tasks. Using computer vision and sensors, agentic AI systems run automated sweeps of the property. They check for breaks, leaks, stains, and damage of all kinds. Once a list of faults has been determined, AI agents then auto-generate work orders. First, they check vendor cost and appropriate work slots, and then schedule each task with the right vendor at the right time. AI Next also makes it easy to build, clone, and assign agents to different workflows, offering complete visibility and control at all times. With EdgeVerve AI Next, building maintenance becomes predictive, unified, and autonomous. Say goodbye to firefighting and hello to intelligent operations that detect and prevent failures before they happen. Transform your facility maintenance ops with EdgeVerve's Agentic AI. Curious to see what else AI Next can do? Visit edgeverve.com to discover how Agentic AI is redefining enterprise operations.